Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Patty.
And baby, again, is not with us. And actually, I'm starting to feel a little guilty going on these adventures without him. How about you, Patty?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe some way we can arrange to have him come along. And we've been toying with the idea. We're thinking maybe we can get him trained on a stroller. Stay tuned. Maybe in another video we'll have him come along with us. But don't hold your breath, because he is hard to get in a crate, let alone a stroller. But if we could, it'd be fun for him and us, I think. We'll see. Anyhow, today we're on another adventure, Patty, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to the villages. We're going to the villages, but we're kind of going close to the villages. We're going to Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve, which is on the southern end of the villages. So if you live in the villages and you have that hurry, hustle bustle type of life, dancing, golfing, very active lifestyle, but you want to get away and kind of have a relaxing day, enjoy nature, this would be a place to go. It's just right around the corner from you if you're in the villages. Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve. And if you're in the Leesburg area, the same thing applies. It's probably about a 20-minute drive. So there you go. We're going to go enjoy it now. And, well, enough said. Let's have some fun. Well, to get to Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve, if you're coming from the villages, basically it's just off of Moyer Loop. Like I said, it's the southern end of the villages, close to the Fruitland Park area. If you're coming from Leesburg, you're going to take 441 up to Fruitland Park. You'll take a left on Miller Boulevard, and then ultimately another left on Moyer Loop, and then you're basically right there. But of course, everybody's got GPS, so I don't even know why I'm saying this, but bring it up on your GPS and you'll find it fine, I'm sure. So anyhow, we're on our way. We're almost there. All right, well, we're here. We're at the Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve, and it's a little bit windy today, so I hope you can hear me okay. We've got the rules, hours, all that kind of thing. They're open from 7 a.m. to dusk. And notice that there's a dog park adjacent to this. We'll show that a little later. I hear some Sandhill cranes too. I'm excited. I love those birds. Yeah, let's go wandering and take a peek at it. Beautiful oak trees here, beautiful sky. Nice day here in February. Anyways. Park nestled in the villages. You can actually see some of the villages way off in that way, and behind us there's golf course. But like I said, you want to get away from the busyness and just kind of kick back and enjoy nature. Here we are. What do you think, Patty?
Looks nice. Mm-hmm. Looks like a good place to get some exercise.
Right. Well,
my hat. It's a little windy.
Yeah, don't lose your hat. You're losing your hat. That's getting windy. It wasn't windy this morning. I'm like, oh, it'll be perfect time to video. Anyways, looks like there's a little boardwalk going out to this water. Not sure what that waterway is. And there's a little lookout tower, so we'll check it out. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Boy, it really messed it up.
What are you doing?
I'm pretending like I'm walking because you stop the videos now, make it look natural, right? that's an interesting bird, or someone's not feeling well. I'm excited. I can see little birds all over. Maybe we'll see a gator.
Yeah,
Patty,
maybe.
we'll see a gator.
Maybe.
So this is like a little lookout area, overlook or whatever. We're going to go up there in a second. We've got some placards here. Let's take a look what we have. Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve. I think it's actually considered Wildwood, Florida, but as we noted, it's in the villages. This tells you a little bit about the history, the restoration of this area, creating this preserve. And there's that funny looking bird, the chicken with the red nose, the gallinule. I think I'm saying that correctly. Let's see, there's a little bench on this side. Check and look around. Let's go upstairs. Patty, I think I'll take a gamble. I mean, it's funny, we had something like this in our last video, so I'm going to take a gamble and go up. Actually, I'm going to take a gander and go on up. Come on, join me. Let's take a look. Hope you're not afraid of heights. Oh, Patty, I see a gator.
You do?
Yes.
Awesome. Stepping onto my hat. It's quite windy up here.
See him? He's on the bank right by the water. There he is. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's one of those Florida gators.
Yep, I see him now.
This is a beautiful view up here. You can really see a lot. I like it. There's the stretch of the boardwalk that we're going to get on. Beautiful land. Well, if there's one gator, there's probably more. Let's see if we can find more, Patty. What do you think? Where do you? How many more gators are we going to see?
Maybe one or two more.
Oh, look at that tree's been blown down. I wonder if Milton did that. All right, well, let's go get on the boardwalk. Look at all that clicking. I don't know what exactly that is.
Frogs, maybe?
Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of those here. Or ibis, maybe. You can see that other bird there. Wow. I'm excited to saw a gator.
Is that a crane out there? Right there? Or no?
That looks like a sandhill. Those are sandhills, maybe. Looks like that one might be nesting. See, it's like sitting. It's got like a little mound.
Oh, yeah.
The other one's kind of standing guard. Vegetation. Duck potato. Pickerel weed. Maiden cane. St. John's wort.
St. John's wort. Isn't that... That's a medicinal
anybody knows, leave them a comment. Let us know. Let us see. Water snake, cottonmouth, dragonflies, Dan's fly? Yeah, there was a difference. Pig frog, maybe that's what we're hearing. And the Florida cooter turtle. Unless it's part of the vegetation, it's kind of weird if it is. Something's man-made. Sure. Oh, he's talking to me. Or somebody's talking to me. Is that him?
Yeah.
Her? Funny that way when you get to know an animal, pet. He's probably missing us. He's probably wishing he was with us. Wonder what baby the cat's doing. Patty, what do you think he's doing right now?
I don't know either. Probably sleeping
Oh, well,
under the bed.
Yeah, that's a good bet to say that he's sleeping. I'm sure he probably is this time of day. You know, if we got him in a stroller, he would probably sleep the whole time while we're pushing him. Probably think he was in this cupboard. Anyhow, wonder what he's doing. Flew off my left shoulder. Who is it? There's another one going out. That's a bald eagle. That's the building nest. We just finished the boardwalk. We're going to check out the park a little bit, but this is over here where we entered to go to the boardwalk over the lake, Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve. But we're going to go down this way, the entrance to the dog park, to see what that's about. There's the canine dog park. Some of the rules and hours. We're just going to see it from a distance, but if you come over here, you can probably see it. the sidewalk is going to wind down to where the dog park is. And I presume they have probably large and small dogs facilities, but you can see the fenced-in areas over the hills, overlooking the nice pretty lake. It looks like there might be a gator in the middle of that lake. Spot number 3.
Yep, you did.
Anyhow, very pretty, nice facility. Very pretty out here. Well, that does it for the Sharon Rose Wiechens Preserve. Enjoyed it. It's kind of a smaller park, but it's beautiful out here. Again, if you're in the villages, it's a nice place to go. You can bring the dog as well. Dog friendly, and they have the dog park nearby. It's about lunchtime. I'm hungry.
Me too.
Yeah? You like Mexican, Patty?
Yeah.
We're gonna go get some Mexican. It's right around the corner, so come with us. We'll show you all about it. Well, that was a nice lunch we had there at the Fiesta Grand Mexican restaurant here in the Villages. And for reference, it's about 5 minutes from the Sharon Rose I forgot it. But the preserve, and so if you can couple it, you can pair it for whatever you want. But there's other options, of course, for meals. But we enjoyed it. It was great service.
Yeah, really good.
Yeah. What did you have?
I had the chicken quesadilla.
Yeah, that looked good. It looks
was
like they
very
piled on the
good.
chicken. And I had the birria taco. It was like a braised beef taco on a corn tortilla. It was really good. The service was top notch. Definitely would recommend the place. As far as the Sharon Rose Wiechens, I'm not even saying it right now, Preserve, sorry. Very scenic, very, very beautiful. Had the dog park and everything. Definitely if you're in the Villages or in Leesburg, you just want to get away for a short time. It's not a huge park, doesn't take a lot of time to go through it. Just note that I didn't see any restroom facilities that I know of, maybe down by the dog park, but otherwise I didn't see any at all. Anyways, beautiful day, enjoyed it. That about does it. What do you think? Wrap it up, say goodbye, see you next time. Bye-bye.
See ya.